Dear students, now we will start with calendar. First of all, we will see some important facts and formulas. So first is we are supposed to find the day of the week on a given day. So here we have to find the day, whether it is Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday on that given date. Okay. So for this we have to use the concept of odd days. So first we will say what is odd days. In a given period, the number of days more than the complete weeks are called as the odd days. After complete weeks, the days which are remaining is called as the odd days. Then a leap year. So everyone knows leap year. So every year which is divisible by 4 is a leap year, and every 4th century is a leap year, and no other century is a leap year. So, and a leap year is having a 366 days. For example, here 1948, 2004 and 1676 etc. are the leap year because these numbers are divisible by 4. Okay. Next is ordinary year. So, the year which is not a leap year is called as an ordinary year. Okay. The year which is not a leap year is called as an ordinary year, and ordinary year is having a 365 days. Now, how we will count the odd days? As we know, one ordinary year is having a 365 days. So 365 days means 52 weeks plus 1 day. Okay, how we will convert this into the 52 weeks? We have to divide that number by 7. Okay, so it comes a 52 weeks and 1 odd day. So the remaining day is 1. So one ordinary year is having a 1 odd day. Okay, next is one leap year is having 366 days. So it consists of 52 weeks plus 2 days. So 2 days are remaining here. So one leap year has 2 odd days. Okay. Then 100 years. 100 years consist of 76 ordinary years and 24 leap years. So what we have to do? We have to divide this 100 by 4. So it consists of 76 ordinary years and 24 leap year. Okay. So as we know, ordinary year is having a 1 odd day and the leap year is having 2 odd days. So total odd days in 100 years are 176 into 1 plus 24 into 8 is 124 odd days. So 124 odd days means it consists of 17 weeks plus 5 days. Okay. So 100 years is having a 5 odd days. Next is as we know, number of odd days in 100 years is 5. Then number of odd days in 200 years is 5 2s are 10. So 10 days means 1 week and 3 days. So number of odd days in 200 years is 3. Number of odd days in 300 years is 1, that is 5 3s are 15. 15 days means 2 weeks and 1 day, so it is 1 odd day. Number of odd day in 400 years, as 400 is a leap year, it consists of 366 days. So we can add this 1 here as it is a leap year. So 5 4s are 20 plus 1 is 21. So 400 years is having a 0 odd day. Likewise 800 years, 1200 years, 1600 years and 2000 years etc. has a 0 odd day. Okay. Then next is days of the week. Day of the week related to odd days. After calculation, if our number of day is 0 or 1 or 2, if it is 0, then at that 0th day there is a Sunday. On first it is Monday, on second it is Tuesday, on third it is Wednesday, on fourth it is Thursday, and on fifth it is Friday, and on sixth it is Saturday. Okay. So this is the basic concept for solving the problems on calendar. In the next section we will solve the problem on calendar. Okay. So thank you so much.